Let's make roast chicken and potato. So I rinse off a few pieces of chicken in lemon juice and vinegar. You could also use chicken quarters and pat dry. All right, and I slice the chicken. So I have all my season: garlic powder, onion powder, paprika, dry thyme, dry rosemary, chicken season, black pepper, and salt. So guys, I'm going to use some of the spices and leave some for later, and my veggies. So just marinate it, the chicken, all right? And I'm just going to wrap it and leave it in the refrigerator for at least 1 hour. So I have my potato and carrots, which I rinse off. All right, so I'm just going to slice them. And this is an easy and simple recipe. Also, I'm going to add in 1 onion, which I rinse. You could also use purple onion. And also I have 3 carrots. This is a 1-pot meal, guys. Simple, easy, and tasty. So I'm just adding like a 2 tablespoons of oil, and I'm adding the rest of my spices. So just want to combine it together. All right, and I'm also going to leave it in the refrigerator for at least 1 hour before I bake it. So now the hour is here, so I just add in my chicken in my pan. You see how the chicken look, guys? It's seasoned. Guys, I love seasoned food. So now I'm just going to add my carrots and potato. In the meantime, you want to preheat your oven. All right, so I'm going to bake it at 350 Fahrenheit for 1 hour. So see you back in an hour. And guys, the hour is here. And look at my delicious and simple and tasty roast chicken with potato and carrots. Yummy-licious. Guys, try this easy and simple recipe. And let me tell you, it was so seasoned and tasty. Thank you all for my subscribers, and thank you all who joined my channel membership. If you do not subscribe to my channel as yet, what are you waiting on? Please hit that red button right now and turn on all notification bell. That's when I upload a new video, you're the first one to get notified. Like, comment, and share, everyone. Okay, I believe I need some more carrots on my plate. There I go. All right. This should be enough. Guys, thanks for watching. Have a great day. God bless. One love. Bye.